Welcome to Job Tracker Professional. Our advanced job tracking software is designed for property maintenance and trade businesses, and has been used both nationally and internationally for over 25 years. Let's take a look now at how easy it is to create a job. Click this New Job button. Then when creating a new job you can either key in the site details here, or, if you've completed jobs there before, then you can simply search and select the details needed. In this Job Notes section, you can record any relevant notes for internal use. Then in this Job Details area, you can record details specific to what needs to be done. These details can be automatically accessed by your site staff if you utilize our Job Tracker mobile app. Alternatively, at the click of a button, they can be inserted directly into your job sheets if you prefer to create these and email these to your engineers. You have complete control over the design of your documents, as Job Tracker integrates using Word and Excel templates. Within this section of the screen you can record data specific to the job. This can be particularly helpful when generating reports to analyze data. You have various means to record the information relevant to your business, including drop-down lists or text fields. You also have the ability to tailor both the name of the field and the data collection to suit your individual business needs. In this section you can record any dates relevant to your business. Again, you can change the field labels to suit your requirements. I'll explain how to do that later. You can easily assign engineers. There's a built-in whiteboard function which would be happy to show you if you are keen to learn more. Assigning an engineer also enables the access of the job details electronically, if you choose to utilize our Job Tracker mobile app. Adding parts and costings is also a simple process. You can select from lists of existing materials, import SOR, or add items manually. Each process is quick and simple and versatile, to help you tailor it to your business needs. Adding quotes to the system is done in a very similar way to adding jobs. You record where the work is needed, who will be dealing with the quote, along with any other details relevant to your business. And the process of converting a quote to a job can be completed at the click of a button. Going forward, you can also easily see the relationship between the quote and the job. You can easily track the progress of your jobs with the use of the job status. You can create these tailored to your business needs. You can then easily see from the charts on the dashboard, or from the live job screen, if you have any unexpected bottlenecks in your processes. We hope this overview helps you make a start with using your free trial. Remember, Job Tracker is designed to be flexible and easily tailored to suit your individual business needs. There are many features that can be switched on and off to suit your requirements, and if you would like more detail on any of these features, or are unsure on the system's capabilities, please do not hesitate to contact us.